What's up? Yeah. Alright. I'm hearing voices inside my head telling me to do a rap. I'd rather be in bed. But if I want to pass Egyptian history, all I have to do is 1 + 1 is 3. So let me start off. Tell you this: Egyptians built the pyramids and buried the dead. Going to the afterlife just filled their head. They lifted big rocks all night and day. How did they do it? Ain't no way. All that work for just one guy building a temple to reach the sky. They worship one guy like he was God. Oppose him, hey, you're gonna be dead. And he even slept in the fluffiest bed. He knew what he was doing before he was dead. A country in northwest Africa, home of the Nile, abundant delta. Home of a boy whose name is Tut. Everyone spoiled him and wiped his butt. He knew it was holy, just couldn't come to it. He was 18, got and not no regrets. All he got is 3.5, 4 hours of rap. What is that? I'm done. Mr. Slow, thank you for and appreciate it. 4.5 hours straight on a rap.